In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to text in Evernote. Whether it's a snapshot of handwritten notes, a picture of a whiteboard from your last meeting, or any image filled with text you need to convert to editable form, Evernote makes this process straightforward. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, start by uploading or attaching your image to Evernote. This could be anything from scribbles on a notepad you've captured with your phone to a slide from a presentation you're reviewing. The key here is to get the image into Evernote as a note so that you can work with it. You can drag and drop your image directly into a new note or use the attachment option to select it from your files. Once the image is in your note, you're ready for the next step. Now, hover your cursor over the image within the note. At this point, Evernote should display a handy little feature, a transcribe button. The intuitive nature of Evernote's interface is designed to keep this process simple, so if you don't see it immediately, try moving your cursor a little. It should appear as soon as you position your cursor over the image. Click on the transcribe button. This is the magic moment where Evernote's text recognition technology springs into action. Once clicked, Evernote will automatically extract and transcribe the text from the image. What happens next is that the text gets pasted right below the image, appearing instantly and editable so you can work with it as you would with any regular text in your notes. It's quite impressive how quickly this feature can transcribe content, allowing you to transform your image into text almost effortlessly. This can be particularly helpful if you're dealing with large amounts of information and need to quickly convert them into a digital format that's easy to edit, search through, and share. Keep in mind that the quality of transcription will depend on the clarity of the image and the legibility of the text. For the best results, try to ensure that the images are well lit and in focus. If you're capturing handwritten notes, the neater the handwriting, the more accurate the transcription will be. Don't worry if the text requires a bit of tidying up afterward. That's normal, especially with handwritten material. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily convert any image with text into editable content within Evernote. It's a fantastic feature for enhancing productivity, whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves to keep their notes perfectly organized. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.